Radhika Ramna, Namaskar everyone. Today I am coming to Raikina Garden. It's happening in New Delhi. This wonderful program that is happening in New Delhi. It's moving for 3 days. It's covering 3 days, and when I came to it, it's wonderful to be here because I met different minds, youngsters, what you think about public policy, because I am excited to learn about public policy and I'm just studying about that. So I'm so happy to be here and I'm just learning because I met today our foreign minister S. Jaishankar ji, as well as I met with the Finland president. This was great and I'm just hearing the voice of them, what they are talking, what they are understanding about global, because India is leading, because especially we are discussing on BRICS. BRICS, at all, is a 10 members group and India is the powerful member of that. And we are discussing about artificial intelligence. We are discussing about not only artificial intelligence but also the whole world. Because in this generation, what we are, what we will, so we are thinking about that. I heard from Finland president who was joking about that. So that was good. What do you think about that public policy? And as well as I like to say to you, you have to understand what's happening around, not only in your country, but rather the out of the country. Like it's happening Iran, Israel, it's happening America, Venezuela, it's happening, at all, the whole country are quarreling each other. We are living in a war. So definitely, especially I would like to say this, youngsters have to come together. Then youngsters will come together because in the future they will lead, and they will decide the future. So one person said to me, I forgot the name of him, but he said that we need peace. United Nations posted about it. He emphasized more times. We need peace. But we are not accepting that. America is saying something, and Venezuela is saying something, Iran is saying something. We are living what we are. When I came to here, I heard from Smriti Irani, he was great. He spoke about artificial intelligence. Today's era is very important to know about artificial intelligence. S. Jaishankar, our Honorable S. Jaishankar, the Foreign Minister of India, he said about the geopolitical of India. He was discussing about it. I understood about it. Some people are interesting, and lots of people said about it. India is leading wonderful. India is growing wonderful. India is enhancing because today we are talking about semiconductors as well as we are talking about artificial intelligence, technology. India is making infrastructure. India is leading. India is not a country. India is a Vishwa. Bharat is Vishwa. So I'm happy to be here. I like to suggest you come to here because today I think today's 6th, so that will not possible to be here. But if you are available, you can come on 7th. So know your public policy. What is India's public policy? What we think of this is. I'm just hearing from different people, from different distinguished gangsters, what they think about that. It's wonderful. Thank you, and I'd like to say to all of you, understand our public policies, what are geopolitical, what are multipolarity, what is multilateralism. When we understand all these keywords, definitely we are seeing a world who can lead, who can be in a dream, not only who can change and do. Because today we are talking about climate action, because youngsters have to come together, those who can make a sustainable climate. United Nations has forced it, and we are emphasizing that, and we all have to come together and we can. That's all. I have more and much voice to talk in this video, but I have not clarified that because I'm happy. Because I'm really happy because I'm hearing lots of voice from different people. So that's all. Understanding your public policy, public administration, international relations. I'm so excited. This is my favorite subject, international relations. So I'm coming to here. So I came to here, sorry, for this. Thank you. Namaskaram.